So guys, another live trading day. We're going into open 17 seconds. Um, I'm looking at this. It has a level in play at 27.95. It's like a daily ascending or descending resistance, and yeah, let's see what it does here. I don't know if it will go. I want to also watch AMD because they can make a move here. They got room up to 99, but right now it's flushing. I don't know why, but it's probably gonna tap this this trend line that I drew here and bounce up maybe. See where it is. Oh, it's up there.
1 minute to the U.S. market open.
Actually, I don't think it's gonna go all the way down there. Profit taking maybe. Let me turn this scanner down. I don't really like this one. It already made the big move. So let's see. That's a bounce off support. Let's see what it does. I'm gonna be patient here. I don't know. This is at 28. This is at 27.40. It doesn't make any sense. I'm gonna watch it anyway.
AMCR, Amcor shares spiking here ahead of the open. Alpha Michael Charlie Romeo. AMCR.
AMCR.
Well, damn.
AMCR. SATL.
Let's see if it comes back down up here to test this.
EXPI. SATL. SATL.
Amcor reported their earnings after the close yesterday.
Satlu. TKAT. INBZ. CMPX. CMPX. WTI.
This is probably
CCL Carnival announcing additional Princess
1 minute micro
return
pullback.
to service.
CMPX.
Crown Princess, Island Princess, and Royal Princess.
Total
of 12 ships now, 80% of the fleet returned to service.
My stop is at 27.15 now.
That Charlie Lima and Charlie Uniform Kilo. Dow Jones Industrial Average up 0.2% after the open. S&P 500 up 0.2%. Nasdaq Composite up 0.1%.
ACON.
TNON, T9 Medical, halted on a circuit breaker. Tango November Oscar November, halted at the highs 44.16, relatively light volume. Shares up 52% at the high.
TTSH. PRTS. FRSH.
No news,
FRSH.
to account for that move. That's Tango November, Oscar November.
Now my stop is at 27 as it makes that new pivot.
NEGG.
LYFT lift down
I'm
about
gonna put an order right there just so
29%
it's ready.
now after the open.
So like if I get stopped out, it'll automatically go. It won't be out of fear. I can like I should like not take it off because I'm fearful or emotional. So I'm gonna let it do its thing. I want to see it under $26 because it's hitting this. Well, this is a trigger point, I think. And I think it's not gonna be able to go through it. So this is a 1 minute micro pullback here, and I think that we'll be able to come all the way back down to $26. That's what I think so far. So let's watch it here.
TWTR Twitter, the August 52.5 calls active. Tango
ACON.
Whiskey, Tango Romeo, TWTR.
RDBX. SNOA.
This is another small pullback. I don't know if it's gonna bounce because there's like a double bottom here, so I don't know if it'll bounce or not.
Twitter shares getting a little pop here, 49.06.
I'm risking
Tango
30
Whiskey,
cents
Tango
now,
Romeo.
so I really want this to flush down to 26 and maybe see if it goes lower.
INBZ.
These are intraday levels that I marked out on the daily right here. I think these are good areas for like resistance, and this is a trigger point, so I don't know if it'll be able to break it. It's ascending resistance, and I think that's the hardest one to break. So let's see if these algos wanna flush this down. I can move this up a little bit. Here we go.
SNOA. CHGG. INBZ.
I'll take some off.
STSS.
In case it's like a double bottom, I'll take some off.
HCDI.
A lot of selling volume.
JCI. WTI.
Our new stop is at 2760, 2776, which is break even for us.
AHT.
Oh, for me. Not live trading here. Actually, I am live trading, but not with viewers. I'm just, you know what I mean? Oh, this might come back and break that. Actually, this might be a retest. Damn, bro. Okay, whatever. We'll take that off. Oh, look at that. Double topped at 27. I might be able to add here if it continues to flush, or if it gives me like a small entry. We'll watch it.
NEGG. ACON. EVGO. ERTS. SUNW.
I'm gonna get back in here for this pivot right here to break. Stop is at $27, 27.01.
SKYT.
NEGG, Newegg, shares moving higher on volume. November Echo Golf Golf up 5.5%.
ABNV.
I'll take some off. I want to see this flush down to 26 again and right through it.
SIDA. WTI.
Let's see, it's gonna make it might make a new pivot for us.
BGFB.
If it makes a new pivot, then I'll be able to add maybe a okay, new stop is at 27.76, which is literally break even again. It's working out perfectly. 26.30, I might add another. Might sell some more so I can break through 26.
Shares of Uber pulling back here, 26.02. Uber just at the lows now, down 11.5% following their report. Uniform
SIDA.
Bravo Echo Romeo.
SKYT.
I want to see a flush right through 26 if we crack this. This is a bear flag right here, so I think this is gonna do good.
TNON, T9 Medical hit
Look
a
at
high
that.
44.16.
That's actually
STSS.
crazy that I
Was
predicted
halted.
that off of 1 day of studying.
Resumed and was halted
let's see.
again.
New pivot maybe.
Tag on November, Oscar November. MITC. Shares of Meat.
Yeah, it might be a new pivot. High is 26.54. Let's just move it down here so again.
Resuming after a circuit breaker halt.
If we get this flush right here, stop will be 26.54. And I think with my ad it might bring my cost basis around there, so let's see.
UPST. OSH.
Coming up at 9:45, the market composite PMI 55.1, services PMI 54.7 expected. That's for
ACCD.
April.
TWOU. CBNA.
Wow, there we go. Let's see it break 26.
SFT.
My stop is just about break even because my cost basis is at 55.
SIDA.
I'm gonna keep my order at 20, so in case it does want to come back, I can just get out right away. But I think this is gonna flush because this is resolving the bear flag right here. So let's see what it does. Okay, there's a retest of a bear flag on the 15 second. Actually, I'm just breaking through it, so. But let's see. That might be a new pivot level for us. Okay, let's see. Here we go, flushing. Come on, break through that level, man. 26.36 might be in the new pivot. I'll keep it at 26.38 in case it wants to come back up, so I can get out for some profits. I really wanted to break this double bottom.
IMUX in
It
Munich,
took me out, didn't it?
June
Yeah, it did.
$20 call sweep now.
Okay.
India Michael Uniform.
Well, that was good profit, I think. I went from up 3 to 12, so
IMUX.
pretty good. Now it's reversing. Yeah, that was a pivot for sure, I think. Let's see what AMD's doing. Flushing. Oh, this is a level right here.
Shares
So
getting
you
a
might
pop
see a
here.
bounce. Let's see if I can remap this to be
RVSN.
like this. Wait, let me. That might be the level in
Sita.
play. So it still has a ways away. I don't know why on the 1 minute it shows it
Munich
differently. It's
shares
kind
getting
of
on
dumb.
half, $7.12. That's the June $20 call sweep, about 1,500 contracts.
We'll
That's
see
in
what it
the
does.
micro
I don't
uniform
really want
mixers.
it to come all the way down to 93.
OSH. BGRY.
Coming up, the PMI.
CVNA. MAR.
This is a flat bottom breakout.
BLT.
Market composite PMI 55.1 expected. Services PMI 54.7 for April.
ABNV. APPH.
I think we did good trading this one. Obviously not a home run or my daily goal.
WTI.
But
CWH.
I think we did well on it. I need to develop how much I should risk, because I know if I did say this is a $30 stock and I'm risking 1%, which is 30 bucks, or I think, let's see,
BGRY.
I think it'd be 30 cents on the trade. 30.
IMXI.
Yeah, it would be 30 cents, and then
IMXI.
if I want to risk
IMXI.
$10 a trade,
BWV.
only be at 30 cents. I mean, that's what my share size was. So I mean, it was good.
Services PMI
Looks like it's gonna review at
55.6.
here.
The consensus
I don't think I
54.7.
want to trade it.
Market
though.
composite 56. The consensus 55.1.
I'm kind of disappointed that this is actually. I don't know if
SMTI.
we'll see if this bounces here. It'll be pretty good if it does.
Bird. SPRO. IMXI. NESR. BWA. IMXI. IMXI. PRTS. BWV.
This does look good, man. But I don't know where my stop would be. It'd be back up to
Digital World
26.70. That's 30
acquisition,
cents
June
stop.
60 calls.
Almost
active,
40
Delta Whiskey
cents.
Alpha Charlie.
And,
DWAC.
I don't know if I should risk that right now. We'll see if it makes a pivot. But this is a flat bottom breakout. If it can resolve here, it'll be pretty good. This looks like fair flag on the 15.
TRVG, Travago. Travago CFO.
I think this might be another quick day, to be honest. Let's see. This is a 1 minute pullback. Just might create a pivot, and then we can enter at 26.30 for, that's a 20 cent risk. Do it real quick. I'll take 30 shares. Not 30 shares, yeah. At 26.30. Okay, we'll actually move it down, and we'll keep that pivot there, and then I'll look for it to come back down to $26. Okay, never mind, we gotta move this pivot up. Good thing I could have taken 50 shares with a 20-cent stop for a $10 loss, but I chose 30 cents because I don't want to risk too much of my day right now. So let's see what it does here. This is lighter stop with like a 25-cent stop. Let's see. I want it to flush back down to 26 and continue downwards. This is, I don't know what the 5 minute looks kind of weird. Okay, we're in. This is annoying how it's not working right away. Let's see what it does. I want it to flush back down to this double bottom and maybe if it can break through it. There's a lot of sellers on the time and sales, but it's not going. That might be a pivot right there. And I think if it reaches there, I might have to get out because I don't want to hold back up to 55. So here we go, it's breaking. 44 is my stop. Put an order at 44 in case it wants to do like a trap or something. There we go. That's a double bottom. Take most of it off the table. And then let's see that flush of 26. I don't want to hold into a triple bottom and then they come back up on me. I don't want to do that. I don't think that would be very wise. See like that. I'm gonna just get out. I think that was a break-even trade. Look at this triple bottom, man. I can't believe this is holding. There's that. Never mind. Broke through it. And it's on its way back up. Okay. So we got one bad trade right now. This trade isn't that good. This is descending resistance, but this triple bottom is not breaking. And I want to get somewhere close up to this level, but I can't get an entry, so I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Let's see what I want to pivot in this area. So it'll be only 30 cents risk, and then only 30-cent risk. And I'll be in up here, so even if it comes back up, I'll be able to maneuver. Let's see. This is really just flushing. Oh, here we go. This might be the break of 26. And I don't want to hold at 26 and my stop at 60 cents. Then I don't know where my stop would be. 30 cents. 10, 10, 10. This could be an entry for like a 25-cent stop at $26 at 26.10 maybe. This should break. I don't know why it's holding. It is a pivot level right here, but we got a long way to drop if it works. I might be willing to risk this. It's a tight stop. Let's see, man. Come on, let's see this flush. This is actually it's a double bottom on the 5-minute, but it's like a 4 bottom. There we go, 26. There we go. Take some off. There we go. I'm gonna let the rest ride. Maybe retest and then we can add again. But I want to see it keep flushing. High volume on that. Wow, this is amazing. This is pretty good. We have so much room right now. We have like a $2 range if this wants to keep going. We have another bottom at 25, 50, 25, 27. Is this gonna come? Let's see if this comes back up. We met our daily goal, but let's see if we can ride it out. 26.10 is where it needs to tap. And then I can maybe add another 10 shares and then get this reversal off the top. I think my new pivot for a stop would be 26.11 because this is a pivot right here, obviously, but I feel like it would be too tight for me to put it right there. I feel like I want to give it some room because I'm already in profit. So since I'm already in profit, I'll allow it. But I might add here at 25.80. Yeah, 25.80 might be a spot to add some. see now it's coming back up. Oh, okay, never mind. That's a retest, and now let's see if it fails, which I think it might. 25.19 is the spot. See, now on the 5 minute is looking like a bear trap. And now it's coming back up. It hit this resistance spot that we drew out. And might be some resistance there. Profit taking from the short long traders. And then maybe it comes back down. I'm not sure. But we got a good trade anyway. So we might have to stop here. I don't know if we'll continue or not. I'm not sure if I'm interested in what it does anymore. But we'll watch it for a little longer. It's only 10 o'clock. I might not be as aggressive anymore. This is a long trap now, I think. Actually didn't break, so. This might be the retest, honestly. And then a flush back down to 26.01. We'll probably try this. Oh no. Oh, I don't know anymore. Actually, it's kind of choppy. This was easier to predict up here. But now, it's kind of outside the zone, and I don't know if I should jump in or not. We took some good trades on it. Should have took more on this one probably. That's a 40-cent profit or 30 cents. Came back, got us out. Short here, got out. Yeah, this is a pretty good trading day actually. Easy profits. 3 green days in a row. All meeting the daily goal. That's pretty good. I think we're gonna have to go back to learning instead of sitting here trading. I'm gonna do a recap, see what I did good, see what I did bad. I kind of wanted to trade AMD, but now it's just selling off. I don't know. This is kind of dumb. I don't even want it anymore, I think. Yeah, so that was a retest and then pushback. 1 minute bear flag. Capture long traders. I guess there might be a big flush. I don't know. I'm happy. I feel like I'm chasing it up down here, so we shut it down. We did good. And I'm gonna do a recap here shortly, and then yeah, I'll be done. So let me see ya. Only 30-minute video today, so pretty good. Might be good to review. And yeah.